saw that. I saw they redid all your...
Hi.
How you doing, Kevin?
Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Brittany.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. How you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. Sorry for being a little bit late.
No problem.
Got blocked in by a trash truck this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. So we went to the lake with those kids. So this thing was freshly remade 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, I saw the posts on it.
Yeah.
Wait, this was?
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't. Oh, I didn't show you.
No, you didn't show me.
Yeah. So it took me probably a few days before we started working on this again.
But that's why we did it, you know?
So here is Martin's Supra, and he has pink elephants on it.
So a funny thing is, every time I go to Britain, they have this thing in Britain that they call an ASBO, A-S-B-O, and that is
It's like attention deficit disorder in the U.S. Like
pretty much antisocial behavior order. That's me.
That's you.
That's what we've been calling him.
It's antisocial behavior disorder.
So he's also known as the Norwegian Hammer. He's also a drifting legend, more or less. And today
He has his own statue downtown
he does. He has
Oslo.
a statue downtown.
He has his own statue downtown Oslo.
Anyway, welcome to Norway. Let's have some fun.
Guys, we're gonna go ice drifting. So it's like, I don't know, how thick would you say?
35 centimeters? 35.
What is that in inches?
It's...
Okay, yeah. Cool.
About 12, 13 minutes.
Zero bucks together. This is insane.
We was here for around 3 weeks ago. It was a lot of snow, big snow banks.
Yeah.
Perfect conditions, but now it's all gone.
I think someone said it rained a lot and then it warmed up.
Yeah.
This this doesn't feel like real life right now. It does not.
No.
It's kind of trippy. It's like you're standing on water that's not frozen. It's like you're actually walking on water right now.
Yeah.
So they said it's about 35. Oh, I'll let you spin that around.
That's cool.
So there is time for some hot dogs between the ice drifting.
Oh, this was the one. Y'all came back here.
So Frederick hit me in my left rear. So super fun to drive today.
That's true. Appreciate it, Dad.
Great.
His back tires were here, so he was. Let him come to the beginning of my car.
There you go.
I wonder why the windshield wiper broke.
So I'm back from an amazing day on the ice. It was a really wet day. The ice is started to melt down. So I hope there's going to be some cold weather soon, so we have the track ready for next weekend. So the car is more beating up after today. The rear bumper is destroyed. More of the rear panel is destroyed. More of the door have some, you can see here. The windshield, it's still bad. The hood is bad. But the worst thing from today is that I will lose the exhaust all the time. So I need to make a new, better exhaust on the car so it don't fall off all the time. The new final ratio in my sequential transmission, it's better now with, I can use third gear more often. So yeah, good day. So I hope you guys like the movie and comment below, and remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.